sister's youngest daughter bought her a new refrigerator for Mother's Day, and it's being delivered this morning. Uh-oh. The dogs see the delivery man. Nap time is over. Nugget's ears. Y'all, that tickles me so much when his ears are like that. Brinley said, who cares if it's delivery man? That's not interesting. Nugget is on the job. Old Hawkeye Nugget. He don't miss nothing. If he don't see it, he smells it. Those men have no idea they're going to be YouTube famous. I'm glad it's not raining right now. That would be terrible. We are supposed to get some more rain. It rained again here all night last night, y'all. I don't even know how many inches of rain we've got in this area. It's been unbelievable. But south of us is, it's a disaster. And about 50 miles from here, south of us, I mean, people are waking up to their refrigerators floating in their house. And seriously, I've been watching the news clips on YouTube, and it's bad. The big reveal, did y'all just see that? How they took that box off of there? I need some more cardboard. I need to go ask them, can I have that box? The flood, the rain, y'all see him taking pictures of that? Boy, they have to document everything. Sad what our world's come to. That would be good to cut that and put by my raised beds. I put the cardboard around so it keeps the grass down. And it works great. And I can just take the leaf blower and blow the leaves off. So, I don't step on snakes or anything that I shouldn't step on. But the flood rains, y'all wash my cardboard up. That's how much it's rained. Like that cardboard's been down for months and months and months and months, and was, kind of stuck to the dirt. And it rained so much, it forced that cardboard up. And I had to pick it up and throw it away because it was no good. There was no way to straighten it back out. Got to take it down the hill, then they got to take it up her porch. So that's going to be interesting. I was wondering how they was going to get that up her steps. They need one of those dollies that has the lift, and then they could just put it by the porch and lift it to the top of the porch. I don't know how much of this y'all can see, but I wanted to watch him go up the steps. Doing it. Look at there, did it by itself. So I don't know if they're going to take her old one away to dispose of it. But y'all, I wished I knew how many years that she's had her old one. I told her this one won't last as long as the old one did. I've been through I don't know how many refrigerators since she had hers. Geez, I don't know, 20 something years, maybe 30 years she's had that refrigerator. I'm not kidding. And she started having a few issues with it, and it still works, but I don't think it would seal up good and something. It was just some little things, but so her daughter came over and told her that she was having a refrigerator delivered. Y'all, isn't that an awesome surprise? Very nice surprise, a very good gift. It's very good, Nugget. Aunt Gayla got the new, oh, Berlin knows Aunt Gayla. See, I said Aunt Gayla and she popped right up. She loves Aunt Gayla. Really love everybody though, but she knows Aunt Gayla. She could be anywhere in this house and I can say Aunt Gayla and she comes to this window because for those of you that don't know, my sister is my neighbor. But this is literally the land we grew up on, and she had that piece of land over there and house for, gosh, I don't know, 40 years. That was one of my dad's rent houses and he gave it to her when she got pregnant with her first daughter. And I don't know, y'all, in the early 90s, I bought all the rest of the land and moved back here. And I lived down the road 2 years ago for 19 years, and I sold a big portion of my land, and this land was part of my land. It went behind her house. For those of you that don't know, that haven't watched my first videos, I explained this in a lot of my first videos, so if y'all hadn't seen those, y'all can go back and watch some of the first ones, and I give y'all a lot of my history of my life in those videos. Aunt Gayla, don't you worry, 'cause Nugget and Brindley's on guard. They're on guard. Yes, they are. They doing a good job. Y'all, Brindley kills me doing that. Yes, that's the Lowe's man. It's okay. Now we got the screen. The camera's focused on the screen. Okay, Brindley. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Well, they must not be going to take the refrigerator. She must be going to keep it because they just left it on the porch. It would be a good refrigerator, like, you know, for the garage, for extra stuff. It still works. The ice maker in it quit working a long time ago. Just a few minor things. Okay, we're going to end this video. I know this one's going viral. Y'all, some of these that I think are boring, they get more views than the ones that I work hard on. It is so funny how YouTube works. Anyway, y'all be blessed. Know you're loved. Jesus loves you more. And we'll see y'all in the next video.